Hey loves, this is Reshma here. Welcome back to my channel. This look is all about New Year evening function makeup. So keep watching the video. First of all, I would be using the toner from the brand called Plum, and I would be taking a few and just dabbing on my face. Then I'll be taking this lovely moisturizer from the brand Plum, dot it and just apply it on my face, and then primer from Color Bar just to avoid creasing. Then I would be correcting my face, and this is a palette from My Glam. I'll be using an orange corrector just to hide my blemishes and dark circles to give a even finish to my makeup. Then I will be doing the concealing part, and I'm using this concealer from the brand called Bobbi Brown. With the help of PSC concealer brush, I'll be blending this now, setting the eyelids with the setting powder from My Glam. Now yes, the eyeshadow, and it's all about the palette called Naughty by HUDA Beauty, and I'll be starting with my base for contouring. I'll be taking the lightest shade from this palette, and it's like soft pink in shade, and I'll be first doing the contouring part, and I'll be setting with the base. The other side. Now I'll be taking a little shimmery shade from my palette. Now I'll be starting with the eyeliner, and I'm using this liner from Maybelline Bold Eyeliner, and I will be creating a wing. Now the eye pencil, and I'll be just drawing a thin line. Yes, the mascara, adding a little bit of drama to my eyes from Itex Dazzler. Now the foundation, I'm using this foundation from Eric. It's such a lovely foundation and gives a very dewy finish to your makeup. And I'm using this setting powder from My Glam. Now I'll be quickly doing with my eyebrows. I'm not going to overdo it. I'm just going to give shape to it. And then I'm using this lovely highlighter from the brand called Sugar. Now the contouring, and I'm using a mini blender from the brand PAC. Yes, the blush, and it's from Color Bar. It's such a lovely shade, very natural, and it gives such a good texture to your cheeks. I'm using this brush from Vega, and now the highlighter, and I will be highlighting my bridge of nose, Cupid's bow, and the cheeks, center of my forehead, and yes, the high points of the brows. Now the lips, and first I'll be outlining my lips with the help of lip pencil, and I'm using this lipstick from My Glam. It's such a lovely shade, a kind of deep pink. Now the setting spray from Color Bar, and yes, it's done. So if you have found this video interesting, do mention your thoughts in my comment box. And yes, a very happy New Year 2022. Thank you.